5 आईपीओ एक साथ आ रहे हैं। कुछ बिग आईपीओज हैं जिसमें इन्वेस्ट करने से आपके अलॉटमेंट के चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाएंगे, और कुछ बहुत ही छोटे आईपीओज हैं जिनमें इन्वेस्ट करने से शायद आपके प्रॉफिट्स के चांसेस तो बढ़ जाएं, लेकिन अलॉटमेंट के चांसेस उतने ही ज्यादा गिर जाएंगे। इफ यू आर समबडी हु इज कंफ्यूज्ड अमंग these 5 IPOs, then this is the right platform for you. So watch this video till the end because we are going to break down the gist of the IPO. It might help you decide whether you should apply for that IPO or skip it. Imagine this: a company that controls over 80 ships, 370 heavy machines, and moves cargo across India's busiest ports. Now, this giant, Shreeji Shipping Global, is about to enter the stock market with an IPO worth over 410 crores. But the big question is this an opportunity to sail towards massive profits, or will investors sink with it? Stay tuned because what I am about to share in the next few minutes might help you decide whether you should invest or avoid. Hello people, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Kojika. This is the place where we break down IPOs, markets, current affairs, news, job updates, interview tips, and all the other things you are confused about and don't know where to find solutions. Today we are deep diving into Shreeji Shipping Global IPO, opening on August 19th, 2025. We will look into company's business model, financials, company background, competitive strengths, risks, and peer comparison. By the end of this video, you will be able to analyze that whether it's a dangerous move to apply or it's a hidden gem. So without wasting any more time, let's deep dive into it. So what exactly is Shreeji Shipping Global? The company was established in 1995. This company is not just about ships. It's a full-scale integrated shipping and logistics partner. Their business revolves around dry bulk cargo, which includes essentials for industries like oil and gas, energy, FMCG, and metals. From cargo handling services like lightering and stevedoring to transportation and logistics to even fleet chartering, Shreeji has built a solid presence over 20 ports, including Kandla, Navlakhi, and even Puttalam in Sri Lanka. With a fleet of more than 80 vessels and 370 earth-moving machines, Shreeji Shipping has carved itself as strong and reliable name in logistics. Now, the most important part. Let's talk about the numbers because numbers never lie. Between FY24 and FY25, their numbers fell by 17% from rupees 736 crores to rupees 610 crores. And that's not a small dip. But here's the twist. Despite lower revenue, their profits after tax grew by 13%, reaching 141 crores in FY25. Their EBITDA margin stands at 33%, PAT margin at 23%, return on equity is 42.9%, and that's huge. And ROCE is 28%. Debt to equity is at 0.75, which is moderate and manageable. However, it's worth noting that total borrowings of the company have also increased significantly from rupees 158 crores in FY24 to rupees 256 crores in FY25. And at the same time, reserves and surplus decreased from 315 crores to rupees 196 crores in FY25. So with these numbers, we can clearly analyze that the company knows how to make money efficiently. But the rising borrowings and following reserves and surplus are something investors should keep an eye on. The entire IPO size is rupees 410.71 crores. And the best part is that it's entirely fresh issue. And there it gets a +1. They're launching their IPO on a price band of 240 to 252 per share, and 252 is something that we will be looking at, with a lot size of 58 shares with a minimum investment of 13,920. The IPO is opening on August 19 and closing on August 21st. Allotment is tentative on August 22nd and listing maybe on 26th. The QIBs are having up to 50% of reservation, with retail with at least 35% and NIIs at least 15%. The company is raising the money to acquire Supramax dry bulk carriers, for which they need 251 crores. and the rest 23 crores will be used for the repayment of loans. The remaining is for general corporate purposes. This clearly shows that they are going to use the money to strengthen their fleet, reducing debt, which will eventually help them reducing the interest that they are paying right now and gearing up for growth. Their major strengths are that they are leading player in integrated shipping logistics, strong customer relations across industries, proven growth track record with an experienced management team, strong return ratios, and margins. But there are key risk factors which we must evaluate. First of all, revenue decline is a big red flag because this shows will the company maintain growth moving forward? Highly cyclical industry. If global trade slows down, which is happening right now in the world, or fuel prices hikes, this could hurt the margins. Considering the circumstances with 50% Trump tariffs, this is very much possible. Debt is under control, but any aggressive expansion actually strain finances. So the final verdict. If you are a long-term investor who believes in India's shipping and logistics growth, Shreeji Shipping looks solid with its strong balance sheet and expansion plans. But if you're only looking for quick market gains, always remember markets can be unpredictable and the revenue dip is a major concern. So invest wisely because it's your own hard earned money. Now I want to hear from you. Are you planning to apply for Shreeji Shipping Global or you will pass on this and look for the alternate remaining 4 IPOs which are being launched in the similar time frame? Drop your thoughts in the comment section because your opinion matters. I hope that this information helped you. If you are somebody who's looking for such type of content, then you know where to find me. I'm always there to support you. If you need and want me to cover certain topics, feel free to drop those also in the comment section and I will cover them next for you. I already have a lot of pipeline, but don't worry, I'll be covering the remaining topics, especially for these upcoming 5 IPOs. Now this video is out, so remaining 4. I'll be covering those soon as well so that you are able to decide wisely. Until then, keep learning. All the best for your career and future and in your investment journey. Take care. Bye.